Durable Solutions Unit at the BRA, Heno Academy, and the Somali STEM Society jointly launched Innovation Response Initiative for COVID-19 in the Sanhad Business and Innovation Incubator. Dr. Sadio Siado is an infectious disease specialist, answered a number of questions, including the simplest way to control the spread of COVID-19 in Somalia. Jibril Abdullahi from the DSU gave a presentation regarding geographical information systems. He reported the importance of using GIS to track the impact of COVID-19. Heno Academy team shared their PPE products, including a face mask designed in a modern and effective way, which are 3 layers that offer basic fluid and viral resistance. The filter reduces the risk of pathogen transfer and enhances optimal breathability and comfort. The face masks are disinfected before packaging and are washable and reusable. Heno Academy team through Heno Enterprises have also manufactured hand washing stations and washing soap and coffins. Young people from the Somali STEM Society are displayed face shield design, which are to be used by the doctors dealing with COVID-19. Face shield is modern and is made up of synthetic materials that allow doctors to breathe freely. Somali STEM Society team is using 3D printers for all the innovative products. All these efforts are aimed at countering the spread of coronavirus in Somalia. We call upon everyone to join this innovative venture and kick COVID-19 out of Somalia.